We just arrived at the Powwow here in Daleville, Alabama, back here to the rear. It's a little bit smaller than I pictured it was going to be, which might be kind of cool on the cool side. We'll see.
All right, that's a good song. To sick individual's life. A young boy by the name of Tony Whitecloud, who was from the Jemez Pueblos, had a dream, and in his dream he saw himself dancing with multiple hoops. And in this, while he was dancing, he began to make all these formations, and in these different formations, he began to tell the story about the earth.
Families over there, so we enjoyed it. Yeah.
Amazing. Find the similarities.
Oh yes, yes.
That's beautiful.
That's what we focus on, what we have in common. Yeah.
See, I grew up going to Powwow down.
Marvy Gaye.
You guys got some fry bread.
Awesome.
How is it,
event.
Eli? Good.
Okay, now it's James' turn. Hey.
How is it? It's fry bread. Is it yummy? Looks like it. And we got Indian taco. That's pretty good.
Go along the tribes.
Okay, I'm here with Richard, and he's actually the event organizer of the powwow. So thank you, Richard, for being willing to take the time to be on the channel.
Well, thank you.
But if you could just tell me what tribes are represented here today, and then do you do this every year, or what's the purpose of it?
Yes, we do this every year. The mayor asked us to bring the powwow back. We used to have a powwow here in Daleville years ago, and so he asked us if we would help him bring the powwow back, and he's been a big supporter of this. We're going to do this every year. So we have several tribes here, mainly the Choctaw, because their people were the original people from Southeast America. So we want to bring them back here, show their social dances, their customs, traditions. We have most of the Choctaw people as their vendors here, so we have their beadwork and the things that they make for their regalia. And this is what we call our dance-off is regalia. They're not costumes, and people always refer to it like that.
Yeah.
And the purpose of this is just to really showcase our culture and just to educate the public, because there's not a lot about Native American history in the history books. So we get to let people know about our history and how much we've contributed to the American society in general, especially in the military. We have most of our tribes, they volunteer for the military, and we have the highest rate per capita of people serving in the military voluntarily. That was the case in Vietnam too. Most Native Americans that went to Vietnam did so voluntarily. They weren't drafted. And it's just that dedication to this country, because we still see this country as ours. This is our land. We are dancing on the ground, which is the blood and dust of our ancestors. So we dance on it respectfully, and we walk on it respectfully. And that's our major connection to Mother Earth too, is through our dances and our customs and traditions. And we have Choctaw here, which is a drum group from Philadelphia, Mississippi. And a lot of dancers here are from the Philadelphia, Mississippi area. We also have Navajo. We have the flute players, Navajo, and our hoop dancer. They're from the Dene tribe, is what they call them, the Dene tribe, and they're Navajo. And Lowry Begay, he was actually nominated for a NAMI, which is equivalent to the Grammy Awards, because of his music. And he's been all over the world. He recently came back from Germany, and they're really, really good people. And I'm Dakota and Lakota, and my daughter and I were the ones that actually organized this event and raised the money for it.
Oh, very interesting. Okay, so you're actually Lakota, which are located in
we're actually from northeast Montana.
Okay.
We have Dakota reservations throughout Montana, North Dakota, South Dakota, Canada, Nebraska, in the Dakotas. Because our people originated from, we covered the area from Dakota all up to Canada, to the base of the Rockies, down to Grand Tetons, into Nebraska. That was our original hunting areas. And so now we have reservations throughout North Dakota, South Dakota, Canada, and Montana.
The girls want to dance again?
Looks like a bonus this.
Oh, James. Okay. James wants to dance. Oh. Okay, there's this one girl that want to dance, so we're going to sing a song for her, this little one. Come on out, little one. Okay, stand right there and dance. And that's how the game starts. It's a jump ball. You know, they say in historical times in the Choctaw version, there would be even 1,000 of players on each side, and the goalpost would be like maybe 5 miles apart. In the Choctaw version, you're not supposed to touch the ball with your hands because the ball is like the earth.
We got some, how much were they, Noah?
$1 a piece.
Sweet. Very nice. Eli got some as well.
They're mine.
Well spent allowance money there. So the other thing we want to do while we're over here in Daleville is to check out this, some of my students are talking to me about this waterfall that's back here in the woods, and it's kind of sketchy, but we think we're here, and we're going to walk down the trail and check it out. Stay tuned. I can hear something. I hear a waterfall. Yeah, I definitely hear something. It's been raining pretty good too the past few days in this area of Alabama. Wow. That would be bad to walk up in this in the middle of the night, huh? Wow. It's super cool. Wow. I want to say a shout out to Mark. Thank you so much for recommending this secret waterfall. Stacy, this waterfall is almost as pretty as you are. Take some pointers, guys. Learn from the best. It's pretty deep. It's up like 6 or 7, you say 5 or 6 feet? I don't know. It's about a 12, 14 foot waterfall. It's pretty unheard of for this part of Alabama. So Noah says he found a shark's tooth, but I don't believe him yet until I see it. Where did you find it? Point to where you found it. In the wall of the... Alright, bring it over here. Let me see it. Put it on the camera. Can you make it over here? Okay. Hold it in your hand. Wow. Sure enough.
I'm all set.
That's super cool.
That's a Mako.
Okay, hold it real still. It's really cool. Yeah, some kind of shark's tooth.
Yeah.
You just found it in the wall over there?
Yeah, but the crack.
Wow, that's awesome. You gonna look for more?
Yeah, definitely.
All right, hurry, because it's getting dark. Noah found another shark's tooth over here. All right, bring it over here. Close your knife first, though.
Okay. What is this?
Hurry, my battery's gonna die. All right, hold it out in your hand before my battery dies. Wow, yeah, that one is much bigger. Wow, dude. Cool. That's exciting.
No. I think I found this hunk of metal and this, which...
Looks like a stingray tooth or something.
Yeah, maybe.
Cool. Good job.